Alright, so now we're going to find limits from a graph. This is a very basic graph that we have here. You could have lots of pieces going on. We're also going to look at one-sided limits. So if you notice the little superscripts up here, the plus and the minus, that means we're looking at the graph from one side only. If you don't see it, like in our third problem, our third example, that means we have to look at it from both sides. So if a limit does not exist at the entire value, which is actually true here, as we approach a, we are going to two different y values. So wait till it comes into focus. From one side, I'm getting closer to 1.3, and from the other side, I'm getting closer to 3.8. So that means down here at the bottom that this limit does not exist. However, it does not mean one-sided limits can't still exist. So the trickiest thing about these, you have to understand what side. If it's a plus, that's coming in from the positive numbers. If I were to think about a graph starting at the origin, my positive numbers are over on the right side. My negative numbers are on the left. So a positive, or a plus, are the values coming in from the positive numbers. That's going to be approaching 1.3. My limit as x approaches a from the negatives, so that's coming up here, that's from the negatives, that's from the positives, is going to be approaching 3.8. You notice these two are two different numbers? That means the overall limit does not exist, but the one-sided do.